international English language testing system powered by IDB to assess the level of candidate. So my name is Ashwan and I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 110670. So may I have your full name please?
My full name is Sampreet Kaur.
How can I address you?
You can address me by my first name, Sampreet.
Sampreet, how much work do you do in a week?
I think I do pretty much work in a week, which is necessary to fulfill all my needs. Like I do all my utensils by myself. I do my work. Like I help my my mother in cooking. These are the certain things that I do in my whole week.
Okay. Do you have to work on weekends as well?
Yeah, definitely, because I think my mother don't get any holiday as she have to cook each day. That's why I try to help her every day so that she can take some rest.
Do you like the place where you work?
Yes, definitely, because it's my house and I don't think there is any work that I can't do in my home.
Okay. What would make your work more interesting?
I think working with my mother makes it more interesting because she is my best friend. It's the best time that I spend with her because during cooking we share all our secrets and I tell her what happened in whole day.
Okay, now let's talk about perfume. Do you wear perfume?
Yes, I am a person who adores perfume. I love wearing perfume every day.
Do you have a favorite kind of perfume?
Yes, I like perfumes which are specially exported from the France because France perfumes are known for its perfume because they have best perfumes in the whole nation, in the whole world.
Okay, will you ever give perfume as a gift?
Yes, definitely, because it's the best way to show attraction to each other. Like it's a best souvenir or gift you can gift each other at any occasion. Like if there is a birthday of someone, you can gift it as something that can show attraction to each other.
Okay. So do people in your country often wear perfume?
Yes, definitely, because I think everybody loves to smell good and using perfume makes you more confident and you can easily achieve anything with perfume.
Okay. Would you ever buy an expensive bottle of perfume?
Yes, recently my uncle sent it me from the France. When I came to know that it is for 100 euros, then I thought that it is pretty expensive and I wear that perfume sometimes because it is quite expensive.
Do you think people spend too much money on perfumes?
Yes, definitely, because many people adores it and they have craze of perfumes. They buy different brands perfume like Versace, Gucci, which are the most expensive brands which offers perfume.
Have you ever received perfume as a gift?
Yes, definitely, many times, because my family members knows how much I am obsessed with perfumes. That's why each time I have my birthday, somebody gives me perfume because they know I am totally obsessed with perfumes.
Okay, so now let's move to the second part of your speaking, in which I will give you a cue card on which you have to speak for at least 2 minutes. You will be given with the 1 minute for preparation, in which you can make notes on the notepad. Okay, and this is your cue card. You have 1 minute from now. Please start with the topic.
Well, there are many occasions when one has to give to another person to show their adoredness to each other or attractiveness to each other. Like recently, few days back, there was the birthday of my best friend named Tanpreet. So on her birthday, I have to gift her something. So I was pretty confused which gift should I buy for her. She is pretty obsessed with technical things. She know how to use each technical thing. So then I was pretty confused that which laptop I should opt for her. I visited many shops and they were showing different models, and I was quite confused that which model should be best according to her. Finally, I decided that I will buy Acer. But the serviceman were telling me that the Dell and Intel are more better if she knows how to use laptops. So they also showed me Apple, which were best, but they were out of my budget. So that's why I can't bought them. But then I decided that I will buy Acer model number 105 named as Swift. That's why it was the best gift for her. I bought that. It was in golden color. She is pretty much obsessed with golden color. That's why it was generation 10, which was the latest generation. So when I gifted her on her birthday, she felt over the moon, and I was quite happy that she liked that. And she told me that she needed a laptop from so long. Her family wasn't getting her that, because due to prices of laptop were quite high in the pandemic times. That's why, and in recent era everybody needs a laptop. That's why this is the gift that I chose for her, because
Thank you very much. Let's move to the third part of your speaking. Is money a good gift?
I don't think, because money doesn't show what attraction you have for the another person. If you will think and made a gift which has something meaningful, that will be the best gift instead of money.
What is the difference between buying a cash or buying with a credit card?
Pardon?
What is the difference between buying with cash and a credit card?
I think with cash it is quite handled to carry cash with each place. But with card you just have to carry a card, and you can make payments very easily. It is quite friendly to handle, and you can easily carry it in a pocket, and it will not take much place. And when you take payments through card, you can get many discounts, as people today in today's generation are more preferring cards than cash.
What are the advantages of buying with cash?
I think with cash you can easily calculate the money that you have to give, and you have a trust that the money that you are offering to another person is only deducted. But with card, you think that you don't trust, you think that isn't reliable.
Should people include receipts when they give gifts?
Pardon?
Should people include bills when they give gifts?
No, I don't think, because it is a cheap way to show that how much it costed them. I think because gifts are something which you gift in love and affection, and you don't have to show receipt that how much that gift cost.
Okay. So, is it common to return gifts in your country?
No, definitely, because people only give to each other when they think that another person is important to you, and you have to show their love to each other. That's why I don't think I haven't any time faced anything related to this, that somebody has returned me a gift because they didn't like it.
Okay. Why do people undervalue art?
I think there are various forms of art like painting, dancing. In today's generation, everybody thinks that only education will give a job security, and something related to art will not. That's why they don't give importance to art.
Should art be sold or preserved?
I think they should both, because on sometimes it is necessary to sold them if you have to generate a source of income. But if it carries something valuable, then you can preserve them and use it as an exhibition.
Okay, so do you agree with the government's funding to protect art and the culture of a nation?
Yes, definitely, because art is something which is lacking behind in our country. That's why it needs funding, so that many people who are lacking in this field should be motivated and they can have a job security, that government is funding them money and they can have money to earn their bread and butter.
Thank you. This was the end of your speaking interview. You can leave now and have a nice day.